bang klaseng DNA test ang isinagawa po ninyo?
Since wala ho yung mga parents nila, siblingship test ang ginawa natin. The test is to find out if they have the same biological mother and father.
Pwede ho bang malaman na po natin yung results ng DNA test? Do you have the results now?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead and read it po.
Ang probability of paternity is 99.9998%.
Confirmed po na.
Resulta ng DNA test ng Filipino-Australian na si Alvin, lumabas na. Ang tagal po naming hinahanap yung nawawala naming kapatid. Hindi namin malaman kung saan namin siya hahanapin. Nung napanood namin sa KMJS yung tungkol sa Filipino-Australian na hinahanap yung pamilya niya, hindi po kami mapakali. Hindi kami makatulog. Ninenervyos po kasi kami. Parang nararamdaman po talaga namin na siya yung nawawala naming kapatid. Yung pag-describe niya tungkol sa aming magkakapatid, sa magulang namin, tugma po talaga. Siya talaga yung nawawala naming kapatid.
I got lost when I was younger. I prayed every night that I'll be able to reconnect with my family again. Waiting for the DNA test results got me really nervous. I've been waiting for a long time. There's a lot of emotions. I've never felt like this before. I really hope that I'll finally be able to find my real family.